Some of the content of this book is not moral or ethical. Unfortunately, the tactics are real and in common use today. One should be aware of such tactics, and reading this will help with understanding the dynamics of power. Here are some of the quotes from this book. The more you say, the more common you appear and less in control. You have more power when you stop talking. The truth is generally seen, rarely heard. Never outshine the master. Judge people by the effects they have on the world and not on the reasons they give for their problem. The highest form of power is the ability to distinguish the wolves from the lambs. Being able to recognize types of people and to act accordingly is critical. No one likes feeling dumber than the next person. The trick is to make people feel smart, and not just smart, but smarter than you are. It is wise to be polite. Consequently, it is stupid to be rude. Working on yourself like clay should be one of your greatest and most pleasurable life tasks. Everyone admires the bold. No one honors the timid. Fear of failure is already evidence of failure. Avoid the temptation of revealing how hard you work. It is really wise to be seen exerting power directly and forcefully. Envy creates silent enemies. Never be foolish to believe you are stirring up admiration by flaunting the qualities that rate you above others. The appearance of superiority over others is inconsequential next to the reality of it. The way you carry yourself will often determine how others treat you. People who lack the time to think will make mistakes. When your mind is uncluttered by constant emergencies, you will see further into the future. What has worth is worth paying for. The most important skill of power is the ability to master your emotions. An emotional response to a situation is the single greatest barrier to power. Emotions cloud reason, especially anger. Two faces you should have: looking to the future and the past. The further you see, the more steps ahead you plan, the more powerful you become. Look at your past mistakes and resolve not to repeat them. You must be many different people. Be the person to match the situation. Patience in all situations is your crucial shield. Impatience makes you weak. Power is a game. Half of your mastery of power is from what you don't do. Learn to study and understand people. The laws all have a simple premise. Certain actions increase one's power. You should not judge people by the actions they profess to do, but the consequences of those actions. People who claim to reject power because of moral values are often great manipulators. To master the power game, you must have the ability to control your emotions so they don't disturb your judgment. One must accept that delusion is part of human interaction. Power is an integral part of our societies and lives. In the 48 Laws of Power, Robert Greene distills 3000 years of history into 48 laws to help us understand how we can masterfully acquire power and avoid being manipulated or crushed by others. The author Greene states that the better you become at handling power, the better friend, lover, and person you will become. This is because you learn how to make others feel good about themselves, which makes them dependent on you as a source of great pleasure to be around. This book is for those who prefer to be players rather than pawns. In this book, you will learn some principles. Use your enemies, keep others dependent on you, say as little as possible, take credit for other works, and don't get your hands dirty. You can choose to apply or dismiss these rules, but you can't escape them. Power comes from relationships between people. Powerful people must appear to be honest and trustworthy, eliminate doubt in their abilities, and use tactics that give them an advantage over others. They need to understand timing and adapt quickly to changing situations. When seeking power, one should mirror the actions of those they want to control or limit their options for action. There are many people who have acquired power in the past. Some of them did it by being sneaky and manipulative, while others were more honest about their intentions. There are also generals from ancient times, as well as famous con artists and entertainers who use different strategies to become powerful. The author believes that human beings are fundamentally selfish, vain, arrogant, ignorant, emotional, untrustworthy, greedy, and predictable. There is no use in digging your head in the sand and convincing yourself that reality is something isn't. Idealism has a role to play, and it is necessary in sparking change. To guard yourself and to do good in the world, you must study reality and not your idealized projection of it. The 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene. 48 Laws of Power details the laws for attaining power in life, business, and more, and gives historical examples of each law in practice, as well as examples of those who don't respect these laws. Law 1. Never outshine the master. Always make those above you feel comfortably superior. In your desire to please or impress them, don't go too far in displaying your talents, or you might accomplish the opposite. Inspire fear and insecurity. When it comes to power, outshining the master is perhaps the worst mistake of all. Law 2. Never put too much trust in friends. Learn how to use enemies. Keep friends for friendship, but work with the skilled and competent. The key to power is the ability to judge who is best able to further your interests in all situations. Law 3. Conceal your intentions. Hide your intentions not by closing up, but by talking endlessly about your desires and goals, just not your real ones. Law 4. Always say less than necessary. Power cannot accrue to those who squander their treasure of words. Once the words are out, you cannot take them back. Keep them under control. Law 5. So much depends on reputation. Guard it with your life. Learn to destroy your enemies by opening holes in their own reputation. Get others to do the work for you, but always take the credit. Make other people come to you. Use bait if necessary. Win through your actions, never through argument. Infection. Avoid the unhappy or the unlucky. Learn to keep people dependent on you. Use selective honesty and generosity to disarm your victim. When asking for help, appeal to people's self-interest, never their mercy or gratitude. Pose as a friend, work as a spy. Crush your enemy totally. Use absence to increase strength and honor. Keep others in suspended terror. Cultivate an era of unpredictability. Don't build a fortress to protect yourself. Isolation is dangerous. Know who you are dealing with. Don't offend the wrong person. Do not commit to anyone. Play a sucker to catch a sucker. Seem dumber than your mark. Use the surrender tactic. Transform weakness into power. Concentrate your forces. Play the perfect courtier. Recreate yourself. Keep your hands clean. Play on people's need to believe, to create a cult-like following. Enter action with boldness. Plan all the way to the end. Make your accomplishments seem effortless. Control the options. Get others to play with the cards you deal. Play to people's fantasies. Discover each man's thumb screw. Be royal in your own fashion. Act like a king to be treated like one. Master the art of timing. Disdain things you cannot have. Ignoring them is the best revenge. Create compelling spectacles. Think as you like, but behave like others. Stir up waters to catch fish. Despise the free lunch. Avoid stepping into a great man's shoes. Strike the shepherd, and the sheep will scatter. Work on the hearts and minds of others. Preach the need to change, but never reform too much at once. Never appear too perfect. Don't go past the mark you aimed for. In victory, know when to stop. Assume for lessness.